after the Mi 9 made the headlines as one of the first devices to come out with the Snapdragon 855 chipset earlier this year, now a more balanced model from the same family is up for grabs. The Mi 9T. And it's gotten rid of that notch. So, the highlights of the Mi 9T are the new AMOLED screen, which is now free of any cutouts, thanks to the motorized pop-up selfie camera. It is also the first phone to employ the new Snapdragon 730 chip, which is the best silicon the mid-range market offers. And there is a triple camera on the back with a familiar combo wide, ultra-wide, tele. The Mi 9T is priced just right between the Mi 9 SE and Mi 9, so nobody should realistically expect major upgrades like water resistance or a higher res screen. But if the better old screen, the bigger battery, and the beautiful design aren't enough for you, the presence of an audio jack and FM radio may be the deal sealers you are looking for. By the way, Xiaomi will be selling the Mi 9T as Redmi K20 in some markets, but it is essentially the same phone, so if you are interested in the K20, you may want to stick around as well. Unboxing the Xiaomi Mi 9T. The Mi 9T comes packed within an elegant black box, and it contains the essentials: a USB.C cable and an 18-watt charger. Just like other standard Mi retail bundles, this one also doesn't come with the headphones. The paper compartment inside the box is a thin plastic case for some extra protection for the glass back, though it will hide the eye-catchy looks. The Mi 9T is indeed a more balanced version of the headliner, and it not only brings a better AMOLED screen and a larger battery, but it also costs less in the process. Instead of the most powerful chipset right now, the Snapdragon 855, Mi has opted for the most powerful mid-range processor Snapdragon 730, which do quite well matched with that 1080p screen. In terms of specs and focal length, the triple camera system of the Mi 9T is hardly new. But it is the first time a phone at this price range is offering the full slate of 48-megapixel main lens, wide-angle camera, and telephoto lens, and the results are mostly fine. Still photography appears sharp during the day, with the color temperature closer to the warmer side like iPhones instead of the cooler away or on a plus end. Mi's camera algorithm at producing artificial depth of field blur has been excellent since the Mi Mix 2S, and it's the same story here. Bokeh images routinely turn out impressive. Where the Mi 9T's camera surprises is in video performance. The eye's electronic stabilization is excellent here, not just compared to other mid-tier handsets, but even against flagships. Videos shot at 1080 30 fps and 4K 30 fps are silky smooth even as I'm walking. Even wide-angle video footage is clean and smooth. In terms of video stability and image quality, only LG's and Apple's recent handsets are clearly superior. The Mi 9T is the most balanced phone we've seen so far, combining the best of Redmi with the best of Mi to create a promising mid-range phone. The large notchless display, its huge battery and a triple display camera promise to revolutionize the mid-range phone market. Not officially announced in the UK just yet, in Europe the Mi 9T starts at €329 for the entry option, which has 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. A 128GB version will cost €369, and both will be available in parts of Europe from the 17th of June. For the first 24 hours of launch you'll be able to pick up Mi 9T at the introductory price of €299 from Mi.com, where it is already available to pre-order, and Amazon. Mi 9T has a choice of 3 gradient finishes, in carbon black, glacier blue and flame red. Choose carefully which storage option you plump for, since there is no possibility to expand this later. Through microSD.